Okay, we're on the record in cause number 325470. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Frederick Washington. We have Mr. Washington appearing in person, his attorney. Mr. Kevin Lane is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Washington, the court previously noted that it had some bond conditions that was given to you February 11. I think that was before COVID. Because I think we were shut down like in March or something, if I'm not mistaken, of 2020. And I noticed here, the court has been informed that you have a new DWI offense that have been received by the DA's office. It has not been accepted at this time. I don't know if it will or will not, but that is a new allegation that you have against you. We realize that you've been convicted of it or anything, but it is a new allegation. But the other thing I wanted to state is that in these bond conditions, you're required to attend Spindletop, the ASAP, as well as the ATAR program. Back in at Spindletop, okay?
We've been attending it on the phone.
Oh, you have been attending it?
Yes, sir. Every Thursday.
Oh. We're gonna need some verification of that. I mean, is there,
I have a recovery coach.
you have a recovery coach?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is your recovery coach?
Mr. Jimmy Johnson.
Jimmy Johnson. Mr. Lane?
Yes, Your Honor.
He's been just informing that he's been attending the ATAR. I need
Yes,
to find out, he says he has a recovery coach by the name of Jimmy Johnson. Is there any way we can, I guess we could get some verification on that?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll call Spindletop and ATAR.
Let me do this here. Are you working?
I'm attending CCR classes.
What is that?
Pipe fitting.
So you, was you a union or something? Is that some union classes at pipe fitting or whatever is that?
Yes, downtown Florida, Monday through Thursday.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset this case for Friday. Okay, and you was getting ready to say something, Mr. Lane?
Your Honor, does it have to be Friday? I apologize.
I was saying Fridays because he attends some type of training between some work training from Thursday. I mean, from Monday through Thursday. That's the only reason I put it on Friday.
Well, could we just do it for next Monday? I'd like to give a court, or at least the DA's office, give a court an announcement on what they want to do with this received case. I think it's been received for a while now.
Okay.
And I want to go forward.
We'll reset it for Monday.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate that.
Your attorney has to participate. Okay, so we're gonna reset it for Monday. You need to give us, provide us with the verification, and you can talk to your attorney. Your attorney knows what to do. Okay, just stay in contact with your attorney, and he'll tell you what to do. And then we're gonna meet here on on Friday. See, man, all my days mixed up. On Monday of next week.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So get your reset. Make sure you adhere to those bond conditions. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, get your reset. You're gonna be reset the money. You free to go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor, once again.
Okay, you're welcome.
No, sir.
Oh, Bass must have been on, he on his felony case?
He's on his felony.
Mr.
Not on the misdemeanor.
Okay, Mr. Bass, okay. Your full name is Keoki Tobias Bass?
Correct.
This is cause number 329604. How you doing, Mr. Bass?
Doing.
Okay, now, Mr. Bass, you have a felony case that was set today? Is that correct?
I have to be back for 1:30.
Oh, you have to be back over there for 1:30?
And I'm
Okay,
taking
well,
some time, I'm trying to go get some money so I can have for my lawyer when I get back.
okay, well, what you need to do, go over there for 1:30. You're gonna have to come back over here. When you finish over there, let us know what happened with your case.
Okay.
If you fail to show up, a warrant may be issued for your arrest for bond forfeiture, okay?
That's not an option, so I will be back.
Okay, make sure you come back.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, you're free to go. Jamie Dupleshay? Same page. Right, three people above. Your full name is Jamie Lynn Dupleshay?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Dupleshay?
It's fine, thank you.
That's good. Now, Ms. Dupleshay, I see that you're out on a PR bond, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, is this your first time here?
No,
It's not? Now, the last time you was here, you was to hire an attorney, is that?
No, sir. Last time I was here, they told me that they were gonna find out what was going on with the felony case. And if they were resetting it for today, and they were gonna find out if they were throwing down or not, and if they were, then they would decide what they were. gonna
Okay,
do.
so you're saying, you talked to one of the prosecutors, okay. Yeah, just, can you look that up right quick, or,
Okay, what, how you spell your last name?
DUPLE,
I'm sorry, D.
DUPLE, Chain, CHAIN,
And his first name is.
Jamie.
Jamie, with an I-E?
I see it, yes. We have not received the felony case. Let me do some checking here.
Just hold on a minute, let him,
That was a fraudulent use or possession of identifying information case.
It was it's like prepaid debit card. It was my daughter's. It was
Okay.
in the door.
yeah, just,
Okay,
Cool.
yeah, we have not received.
they
that.
haven't received it,
So
so,
I don't know what's gonna happen with it.
They-
Until our office receives it and can evaluate it.
yeah, the police department haven't sent it over to the DA's office yet.
So, what agency was it? that,
Beaumont PD.
Okay,
Well,
okay.
you think how much time you think we need to reset it, about 60 days, or?
Let's see, this happened in November.
Whoa,
Yeah, so let's give it, yeah, if we give it 60 days, I'll look into this and figure out what's going on.
okay,
and
we're gonna
see-
reset it 60 days, you can stand over there, get your reset, and you'll be free to go.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, we need some resolution there.
Yeah, but other guy that I talked to, I don't know if it was you or whoever, he told me to plug it right out because.
Well,
That,
Just-
that might be
yeah.
the case, but let me find out for sure.
is Alex Stelly here? We're on the record in cause number 329774.
Hey, ma'am.
The case is style of State of Texas versus Alec Joel Stelly. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Stelly, how are you doing?
Good.
I'm doing fine, Mr. Stelly. You have a felony case that was set today.
That
In
was
the-
reset to July 26th.
Okay, so Mr. Stelly, this case is gonna be reset with your felony case.
Okay.
Okay, so we reset to July 26th. Once you get your reset, Ms. Duplichan, that door is locked. You gotta go through the other door. All right, you have a blessed day. Now, Mr. Stelly, Your case is gonna be reset to July 26th of 2021. You can stand over there on the 4X, get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Go ahead and sign it, please. You won't see it.
Vernon Norris, is that one of them? No. Back. Okay.
January? That's you.
Pending.
Mr. Jail in January, would you come forward?
Your next payment is in September 23rd, 20.
This is out of the same criminal episode. Your full name is Jalen Jamal January.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. January?
Okay.
That's good, Mr. January. This is cause number 327-408. Mr. January, I was just informed that you may have another the case that's unfiled. That occurred on the same day with this case.
I'm thinking it's not on the same day.
It's not,
It's not.
It was?
it's not,
No, 1/7/25/20.
another one is on the third.
And I have a note in here on 9/23/20 that is pending lab report. This is, didn't say the agency, but it's probably going to be a DPS case.
Oh. Look, what's the, hold on a minute. No, what was it? Oh, somebody talking to her.
Yeah, it's on. Mike Ware,
Okay.
I think he's getting ready to go to trial on a big case.
Let's see, January 327. That's it, January. What's the offense date on this one? August 3rd? Oh, that was August 3rd on this one. What was that other offense date
It looks like it was July 25th.
of last year?
Yes, Sean,
So that occurred before,
before this one.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but
Okay.
it says pending lab results, so.
okay. Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me, that one occurred before, yeah. Okay. Your case is gonna, now, have you hired an attorney? Did you fill out one of those paper,
No, sir. I'm gonna get one, since it look like it's taking too long, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna.
okay, now there's a form out there, that's before you. It's titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendant Without Attorney. And it reads, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, that's that form before you. You may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Defendant's choice. At the bottom of the document, it says defendant's choice. Mark initials next to only one choice. If you want to reset your case to hire an attorney, you'll put your initials on the first line to the left.
Yes, sir.
If you already hired an attorney, you put your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney, you put your initials on the third line to the left. And if you've already been appointed court-appointed attorney, you put that attorney name on the line to the right and your initials on the fourth line to the left. If you want to waive your right to attorney and represent yourself, then you put your initials on the fifth line to the left. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, once you have finished initially one of the 5 lines, then you will sign where it says defendant and place today's date, June 21st, 2021. Now your case is gonna be reset in 60 days. That'll give us time to see whether or not the case is gonna be filed and also give them a chance to hire an attorney.
Yes, sir.
Your case is gonna be reset. Stand on the X to the far left. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you, man.
Okay. Okay,
Jacody Moore, page 8 on the announcement.
Jacody Moore
Yes, sir.
You want to do it now?
or Jacody Moore? Attorney Paget. He's on one case and not on another one? Were you here earlier this morning?
Yes, sir.
Did you talk to James Paget?
Yes, sir. He's still coming over there.
Oh, that's right. Y'all had to go over to drug court. That's right. You were there and you went over to drug court.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When did they reset your case?
No, sir. Okay.
Oh, okay. But I guess we just reset him on standard 30 days to see if Mr. Paget is gonna make an announcement on it.
Thank you.
That door is locked, sir. You gotta go through the other door. Stand over there and get your reset.